stop masking layers one by one, it is killing your workflow. Watch how I slice this entire design into perfect assets in literally 5 seconds. First, start by selecting the main image or vector illustration that you want to break down. Next, grab your shape tool and draw over the specific areas you want to cut out. You can use standard rectangles for UI elements, or get creative with polygons and custom shapes if you need something more complex. Once you have your cut lines ready, go to the resources panel and search for Snipping Ninja. I've added the direct link in the description so you can grab it right now. Now, highlight your main image along with all the shapes you just drew, making sure everything is selected, and simply run the plugin. Boom! Just like that, the image is sliced into separate parts, preserving your original file. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting tools, tips and tricks, and AI features for design. And if there's a specific feature you are missing or a problem you're stuck on in Figma, drop a comment below. I might just build a plugin or a tutorial for it in the next video.